2024 Ram 2500. With less than 61,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.